everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your Kraken wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you're gonna do is simply open up your particular Kraken wallet app, and now on top you're gonna find a verify identity right away if it's unverified. Tap on verify identity. Then again, this kind of interface is gonna pop up for the confirmation. As highlighted, again tap on this option of verify identity. Now go ahead, enter your mobile number, enter your country code and your mobile number right away. Once you're done adding, tap on next. Then now you have to verify your account. Go ahead, add in your first name and your last name. So now you have to simply add in the correct name for first and last correct name of as issued in your government ID, and then tap on next. Then go ahead and add in your date of birth on top accordingly and tap on confirm, and then tap on next. Then you have to simply provide your primary address. Go ahead, provide the information accordingly, and again tap on next once you're done. Now you have to add in your occupation. Choose your occupation. Then you're going to find this page which asks you to provide more information. Now tap on next again. Then here you can see now you have to simply provide your source of funds. Go ahead, choose the one and tap on next. Now the next category is what is your source of wealth. Go ahead, add that as well and tap on next. Then you can see your identity verification with your photo ID. Choose the one that you prefer. Can be national ID, passport, driver's license, any. Now in the next page you simply have to upload a picture of it, and once you have verified, okay, or scan it. Once you have verified it, your another notification gonna pop up. You can see verifying your identity. Wait for it. We will email you when your account is verified. Now tap on done. You will get a confirmation email on your inbox. Check it out and then you will be done. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.